at you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
Well, hi! Today many people have been asking us how the easiest way to get around in Nice. Well, today we're going to show you how to get on Tram Line 2 and take it out to the airport and to IKEA. We're in central Nice and we're going to go out to IKEA. Now the first thing we're going to do is get on Tram Line 2. Come along with us, we'll show you how to do this.
Jeff has his trusty little shopping cart with him, just in case we find some treasures in IKEA. And so he doesn't like to take any chances on the escalator. So whenever possible, he likes to take the easy way, or the lazy way, and get on the elevator to get down to the tram. Tram line 2 at this part of Nice runs underground. So you can pick up Tram Line 2 wherever you are in Nice and follow the rest of our directions. Okay, let's go. Okay, and we're going to go down to -1. And then when you get to the gate, the first thing you need to do is lay your card, your tram card, or if you've got the app, you lay your app down on this screen right here. See the picture? Just like that. And the door's open. Okay, now you want to head in the direction of Airport Kadam. Again, we're here still trying to work our way down to where the tram is, to the tracks. So we now have a second elevator. This time you hit the button to -3. If you're waiting for a tram and you want to find out how long it's going to take before it gets here, just look around for one of these signs at the tram stop. In our case, we're waiting for one that's going to Airport Terminal 2. And that says in 9 minutes it'll be here. Now, if you're going to the hardware store, or you're looking for a hardware store, Jeff's favorite hardware store is Bricorama, and you can get on a Tram 2-line tram and get off at Magnan, and then come with us and we'll show you how to get there. You get off the tram, straight ahead over there is Bricorama. That is Jeff's favorite hardware store. It's like a mini version of Home Depot or Lowe's. Not anywhere as big, but close enough. You're very close to the Promenade des Anglais. There's the Mediterranean over there. Okay, let's head over there now. So now there's the store over there, but the entrance is on the other side of the building. So you have to walk straight ahead, and the entrance is over on that side of this building. So we're going to walk around, see the sign for Bricorama. And there you go. And if you look at one of our past videos, Jeff, actually both of us, will give you a little tour of what we found here. Okay, now for us to get to IKEA, we have to eventually transfer to tram line 3. Now we had to get off the tram line 2 and make a quick stop at the hardware store. So we're getting back on the tram now. We'll show you which stops you can get off at to switch over to tram line 3. We're going to do the switch over at the airport. So come along with us and let's continue on the way. You want a tram that says airport on the front. Hey, this is the tram we want. This is one of the places where you can switch to tram line 3. So we're going to head over to look for tram line 3. Very crowded station because obviously people are coming to the airport and leaving from the airport. So luggage everywhere. Keep your purse over your shoulder crosswise. Lots of people getting on the tram, and if you're not careful, too many crowds, you could get pickpocketed. So just be very careful while you're waiting. Direction is going to be Saint Isidore. So that's what we're waiting for.
So when we used to travel in the United States, we used to have a big suitcase called Big Pink. And Big Pink always stood out on the carriage carousel because everything's black. But now that we're here, we can just use a smaller suitcase. So we found a smaller suitcase that Anne might like. That smaller suitcase has some wheels on it, so I figure she could sit on there and scoot along every time we take trips here in Europe. See, things are getting better every day here. Every day.
Okay, this is the tram we want. Number 3, Saint Isidore. So the exit that we want is Stade. The next exit here is Echo Park. So we have one more exit after that. But you'll see IKEA on the side of the road, and you'll know you're at the right place. We've just gotten off the tram. As soon as the tram leaves, you'll see IKEA on the side. See the mountains out there. We are at the outer edges of Nice. There goes the tram. And now now we will walk across the road. Okay, and voila. By the way, there's one of the stadiums here in Nice. I believe that's where one of the Olympic Games, soccer, was played, or football. Okay, and here's IKEA. IKEA is right there. You can see the blue building with the yellow letters. And we will cross the road. And there you are. And IKEA here works just like IKEA back in the US. The only thing is, if you go online and you download the IKEA app, you can join the IKEA family. It doesn't cost anything, but it gives you discounts on things in the store, and you'll see prices in the store that say, I forget whether it's IKEA member or IKEA family. All right, so let's go check out IKEA today. And Jeff, what are we off to IKEA to buy?
We're going to look for a shelf today for our kitchen. We need a little bit of extra storage, so we're going to shop around and look at some shelves. Come on in with us.
There's tables and chairs outside. We just happen to have purchased the same tables and chairs, only these are double tables. We have a single table, so we bought 4 of those chairs and 1 single square table. So they seem to hold up nice outside. Okay, and we normally bring our little shopping cart, but you can grab one of these bags, or upstairs they have carts on wheels that you can grab to carry around your purchases if you look at the top of the steps. Those are carts you can carry things in. Hungry, one of Jeff's favorite things to do is grab some lunch. So when you get up the escalator, the first thing you do is go to your right, and it'll take you around to the left. This is the dining area. And you grab a table. It's cafeteria style, so go pick out your food. And if you have one of those family cards, don't forget to show it at checkout. Or go to the app and pull it up and show it at checkout. And it's time to go home. You cross back over to the tram station, and you are going to grab whatever tram you see. This one says, well, it's the one you actually want is tram 3, and so you're going to get on tram 3, and then we're going to do what we did before, switch trams part of the way to get back on tram 2 line. then we have to walk across to the other side to pick up our other tram. So see, we want to be right over there. Okay, this is the tram we want to take to get into the center of Nice. This is the tram to Port Olympia, and this is going to take us downtown. Okay, so we're going to get on this tram. When you get off the tram, we're going to head for Avenue Jean Médecin in order to switch to the next tram. So we're on the escalator riding up, and when you get to the top, you're going to go to the machines, use your app or your card. So you go across to this machine picture, just like that. Lay your phone down, the doors open, walk through. Okay, then go to the left. Again, if you're looking for that next tram, you gotta go this way. Okay, you want to go the direction of Avenue Jean Médecin. We're going to go up the escalator, which will take us out to the street. Come up the escalator, you're going to walk straight ahead to Boulevard Jean Médecin. And when you get to the corner, we're going to look to the left. And if you need to get to Old Nice or to Place Messina or Rue Messina, those areas, you're going to want to get on the tram 1 line. And there's the sign right at the corner. The tram runs both ways on Jean Médecin. So down that way is Place Messina. And there's the tram. Pick it up on either side of the street. Place Messina is the first stop going from Jean Médecin. And then after that, the next couple of stops are Old Nice, if that's where you need to go. And if you have a destination in mind, be sure to ask wherever you're going, ask the people what tram stop you need to get off, because you might need to take 2 trams to get there.
Bye.